¿Qué me has hecho? Hey guys, so today I'm here with one of my best friends and he tried doing a makeup look on me. It's a Jaclyn Hill Bronze Gold Smoky Eye makeup look and this is how it turned out. If you're new to my channel then you should totally hit the subscribe button down below. That means so much to me. We're really close to 7K, which is really exciting. So yeah, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and without further ado, let's get started. So Jaclyn is using a bronze palette and I don't have the exact same one, but I'm gonna be using the bronze palette by Kylie and I'm gonna be using the modern renaissance palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. And yeah, we're gonna use the same shades kind of. And I'm also gonna be using this palette because it's also really similar.
Also just the lens outlets and the tweets that you guys sent to me talking about Morphe.
So this is the shade Summer Yum, which is like a reddish brown color, and now we're gonna use the shade Burnt Orange from this palette, which is like an orange color.
Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight.
So now Jaclyn is using some baking powder to kind of like define the line here. We're gonna use that as well. So. So next she's using like an orange shade, so we're gonna use the shade Citrine in the Kylie Bronze palette, which is orange.
And she was saying the same.
So now she's taking a shimmer and it's kind of like a bronze shimmer. I'm gonna be taking Luscious, but she's gonna wet the brush first.
Weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh.
So right now she's using a really dark shade brown and we're gonna be using Bronze Eyed in a Kylie Bronze palette.
You got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving.
¿Qué me has hecho? So now we're gonna use the shimmer Primavera, which is
Primavera.
which is this shimmer and it is pretty.
Primavera.
Those two browns.
So now it's gonna take the baking powder away. I haven't seen what he's done to my face yet. I'm really scared.
This shade right here. I'm gonna do this on the entire lower lash line.
So now we're gonna take Summer Yum again, which is the reddish brown from the peach palette, and he's gonna put it under my eye.
I'm putting this right on my lash line.
¿Qué estás viendo aquí? Es aquí.
Sigma B15. I'm putting this right.
So now we're gonna use the black color from the bronze palette, which is called Obsidian. And it's black, it's really black. So now to highlight my brow bone, we're gonna use the Kylighter by Kylie Cosmetics in the shade Cotton Candy Cream. Oh my god, I'm so scared. So she's wearing fake lashes. I'm not gonna let him put fake lashes on my eyes. So he's gonna put mascara on my eyes.
I was worried you blow my reputation, but I figured it's not on me. Yeah.
Okay, mascara is done. And now we're gonna finish my face makeup. I'm only wearing foundation and concealer, which I put on before. So we're gonna do contour. I'm not gonna use the same products as her because I don't have the same products. I'm gonna use the Shade of Light palette by Kat Von D, which is my favorite.
I'm like a golden crown whirling high up in the sky. Oh, it's the way you make me feel so good right now.
So now I was gonna take the shade Levitation, which is the lightest shade in this palette. So now I'm gonna highlight the inner corner of my eyes using the highlighter. Now we're gonna take the baking powder off using this brush. So for highlighter, it's gonna use the Morphe R36 brush, which is this brush, and the same highlighter. So for lipstick, first is gonna use the lip liner Coco K by Kylie Cosmetics, which is kind of similar to the shade she's wearing.
Feels so good right now. Still you make me feel so good.
And we're also gonna use the liquid lipstick Coco K by Kylie Cosmetics as well. So we're gonna take a like shimmer gloss. So this is the finished look. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna look in the mirror. 3, 2, 1. You actually didn't do such a bad job. There's a little situation over here, but that's alright. This is the first time playing makeup. I'm proud. He's gonna be a makeup artist. You should try this look and go partying with this look. It's really cute. And we need a setting spray. Better than So I really hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. He is gonna make a YouTube channel soon. So when he does, I will tell you guys, and you should subscribe to him. That is everything for today. New video will be up on Sunday, which I'm really excited for. And yeah, I love you guys so much, and I will see you next week. Bye!
We go on every night.